Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to trim, crop or edit videos on your WhatsApp status. So let's start. First open the WhatsApp app. Then tap on status. Now tap on my status to post a status. Now select a video. You can post up to 30 seconds of the video. Now you can choose any 30 seconds you like. You can also trim the video by dragging the start point or end point. You can also make it a GIF by tapping on GIF on the right hand side. You can also add stickers. I'll just add a box. Now you can select a color and draw. You can also add text by tapping on T on top right corner and change the color of the text. You can resize and reposition the text as you like. Now tap on the green button to send the status. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.